Welcome back to another episode of SNEED-CAST Industry Update, our series that keeps you updated with our ever-changing industry. For those of you that have been watching the series for a while now, you know how this goes, but for those of you that are new, welcome. We'll be covering the latest in manufacturing, packaging, coating, sustainability, and much more. I'm your host, Alexa, and today we'll be discussing topics ranging from Wells Enterprises opting for clear polypropylene containers for their ice cream, to Walmart making significant strides in addressing food waste, to the EPA studying single-use plastics in the fruits and vegetable sales sector, to Gen Z making a push for a circular economy with a particularly focus on sustainable packaging, and finally, is a recession on the horizon as the U.S. economy experiences an unexpected slowdown. Starting off, as consumer awareness of sustainability grows, the ice cream industry is adapting by re-evaluating packaging materials. Wells Enterprises Incorporated, the parent company of the Blue Bunny brand, has opted for clear plastic polypropylene containers instead of traditional paperboard for its twist cones frozen treats. This move aligns with a broader trend observed by packaging supplier Berry Global, reflecting an urgent need for innovative solutions to meet sustainability demands. The introduction of clear plastic pints allows consumers to enjoy a view of the beautifully layered ice cream while promoting sustainability through enhanced recyclability. As highlighted by Matt Chase, Director of Sales at Berry Global, the ability to access innovative recyclable packaging is increasingly crucial for customers striving to tackle evolving sustainability challenges. Julie Zugel, Director of Strategic Sourcing at Wells, commends Berry for their collaborative approach in developing this new packaging solution, citing their proactive engagement and innovation. However, the transition from paperboard to plastic is not without its challenges. Paperboard ice cream containers struggle to provide an adequate barrier for the product, which often necessitates a polymer liner that complicates recyclability. According to the 2023 Carton Council Design Guide, ice cream cartons are frequently excluded from recyclable categories, leading to inconsistent recycling outcomes. The How to Recycle program categorizes these items as not yet recyclable, underscoring the need for continued advancements in material design and recycling infrastructure. The shift towards polypropylene packaging has significant implications for the ice cream market. As brands globally seek to enhance sustainability in their operations, the popularity of widely recyclable materials like PP plastic is expected to rise. The new twist pint containers, available in various flavors at major retailers, including Walmart and Kroger, not only aim to satisfy consumer demand for transparency and convenience, but also support broader environment goals. This evolution in packaging showcases how the food industry is responding to the pressing need for sustainable practices while meeting consumer expectations. Moving on, Walmart is making significant strides in addressing food waste, a growing concern as the U.S. generated approximately 77.6 million tons in 2022. In partnership with organic recycler Denali, the retailer has introduced innovative zero-depack technology aiming to enhance the reclamation of food waste that has previously been sent to landfills from over 1,400 Walmart and Sam's Club stores. This new initiative not only streamlines the process of separating expired food from its packaging, but also converts waste into compost and animal feed, underscoring Walmart's commitment to sustainability. The implementation of the zero-depack technology has resulted in a remarkable 60% increase in the volume of reusable organic content, while also reducing compactor trash by an estimated 12%. This automated process simplifies the reclamation of expired food, thus unlocking potential resources that can contribute positively to the environment, turning wasted food into valuable products such as compost and biosolids. R.J. Zanes, Vice President of Facility Services at Walmart U.S., highlighted the success of this initiative by noting significant achievements like a single Denali truck collecting organic waste from 18 Walmart stores, totaling 11 tons. While the initiative has shown promise, challenges remain, particularly concerning the efficient removal of food from its packaging for recycling and waste conversion. Traditional methods can be resource-intensive and time-consuming. However, employing Denali's technology revolutionizes this process through mechanical shredding and water-assisted separation, tackling the hurdles of manual depackaging and improving the overall efficiency of food waste management. The impact of these changes is multifaceted. Beyond reducing landfill waste, this program positions Walmart not only as a retail leader, but also as a proactive player in the sustainability landscape. The potential to convert food waste into nutrient-rich products supports farmers and benefits communities, demonstrating a commitment that encompasses both operational efficiency and environmental responsibility. Walmart's initiative is an example of how retail giants can lead the way in reducing food waste, fostering a more sustainable future for all. Moving on, the Environmental Protection Agency, also known as the EPA of Ireland, has concluded a comprehensive analysis of single-use packaging in the fruit and vegetable sales sector, coinciding with the country's preparation for the EU's new packaging waste regulation. This initiative aims to tackle the increasing generation of packaging waste in Ireland, which has significantly grown over the past decade. The EPA study suggests that non-essential primary packaging may be eliminated in favor of selling loose produce, allowing consumers to purchase only what they need and potentially reducing household food waste. Furthermore, the report recommends promoting loose produce sales, adopting reusable packaging systems, and investigating alternative labeling technologies suitable for fresh produce. Despite these recommendations, several challenges persist. Stakeholders argue that there is little economic incentive for retailers to transition from prepackaged to loose produce, particularly due to concerns over reduced sales volumes. Additionally, consumer-level reuse initiatives might face hurdles related to convenience as they require additional effort on the part of shoppers. The EPA suggests addressing these barriers through pilot programs and consumer education to ease the transition towards more sustainable practices. The recommendations from the EPA could have a profound impact on Ireland's packaging landscapes. As Minister of State Ossian Smith highlighted, the generation of packaging in Ireland has grown substantially within the last decade, so we need to do much better to prevent this waste arising in the first place. By prioritizing the scale of loose produce and reusable packaging, adherence to the new regulations can foster a more sustainable future for the food supply chain and significantly reduce packaging waste. Moving on, Generation Z, often referred to as Zoomers, is poised to play a significant role in shaping the circular economy, particularly regarding sustainable packaging practices. As consumers who are well educated on issues of sustainability, they are pushing for a shift towards reusable and a reduced environmental footprint. More than 60% of Gen Z actively seek ways to diminish their ecological impact, which could reshape market strategies across industries. The interest from Gen Z in sustainable packaging has prompted several food service businesses to explore reusable options. As highlighted by Stephanie Halstead, Vice President of Marketing and New Product Development with Sabre, there is a strong inclination towards reusable, not just in food service, but also in consumer packaged goods. This reflects a growing recognition of sustainability as integral to future business strategies. The collaborative efforts among colleges and universities leading pilot programs could further catalyze the adoption of reusable initiatives. Despite the enthusiasm for sustainability, challenges persist. The complex regulatory landscape across various jurisdictions complicates the adoption of reusable packaging. Additionally, consumer education remains a significant barrier since many consumers are unaware of the potential for home reuse of packaging items labeled disposable. To navigate these challenges, ongoing investments in research and the development of coherent regulatory frameworks are critical, along with increased public awareness about the availability and benefits of reusable options. The push for a circular economy driven by Gen Z could herald a transformative shift in the food packaging landscape. As Halstead notes, aligning sustainability with financial considerations is essential for broader adoption. If properly leveraged, the growing demand for eco-friendly practices among young consumers may stimulate investment and innovation, leading to a more sustainable and economically viable circular packaging economy. This change is not just beneficial for the environment, it can also reshape market dynamics and consumer behavior in the long term. And we've made it to our final story. In July, the U.S. economy experienced an unexpected slowdown, with employers adding only 114,000 jobs, which is 35% fewer than anticipated. This downturn marked the fourth consecutive month of rising unemployment, reaching a rate of 4.3%, the highest since October of 2021. As interest rates continue to climb, businesses and households alike are feeling the strain, leading to increasing concerns over the potential onset of a recession. The job market reflects a deteriorating trend, with a sharp decline in hiring causing ripples across global financial markets. Notably, healthcare and social assistance firms added 64,000 jobs, accounting for 56% of all hiring in July. However, job growth has slowed considerably compared to previous years, with an average of nearly 203,000 jobs created monthly. so far down from 604,000 in 2021. Julia Polak, chief economist at ZipRecruiter, commented, "Things are deteriorating quickly, signaling a growing urgency for economic intervention. The rise in unemployment is exacerbated by a complex regulatory environment. Businesses are becoming more cautious, with many opting for temporary layoffs or reducing worker hours as demand fluctuates. The Federal Reserve has highlighted the need for clearer indications of inflation moving toward its target before considering interest rate cuts. Yet many believe a reduction could stimulate hiring and economic growth. The trends could precipitate a significant transformation in the U.S. labor market and broader economy. The negative hiring statistics and rising unemployment signal a difficult road ahead, particularly in the lead-up to the November presidential election. Increasingly, small business owners like Chris Maher from Ocean First Bank are hesitant to recruit. Increasingly, small business owners like Chris Maher from Ocean First Bank are hesitant to recruit new talent, awaiting favorable changes in borrowing costs. The situation has captivated consumer attention, and while spending remains strong, growing concerns about job stability and economic health could shift market dynamics in the long term. This episode of SNEED-CAST Industry Update is proudly sponsored by our SNEEDJet Freedom 42. The Freedom 42 case coder offers the ultimate solution for versatile case coding and box printing, capable of printing barcodes, logos, date codes, badge codes, lot codes, and more with up to 2 inches in height. With dual 2-inch tall print heads, you can effortlessly print traceability information on both sides of your cases or boxes, improving visibility and compliance. For added flexibility, you can independently control the print heads to print on one side if needed. The Freedom 42 delivers efficiency, adaptability, and precision, making it a vital tool for any packaging line. Like always, stay tuned for our next episode of SNEED-CAST Industry Update, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below to stay up to date with all of our great content. Also, let us know what topics you'd like to see us talk about here on the show. We look forward to hearing from you all. Bye, everyone.